Today we are going to see a module called KaliGPT, which is the module which is created to use with the Kali Linux operating system, which is containing various of the option, which is used with the ChatGPT or OpenAI. This will work. This cost around €79. If you have a ChatGPT Plus, this will be evaluated. Otherwise, with the general subscription also, you can able to use it even free tier. So when you board this particular software or services, you will get the email with a link where you can able to download this particular software, and this is only one time you can download it. So make sure you download it and keep it in a safe place. So after you download it and install it in the Linux, you will get this icon and you can able to open it. So this is how the interface look like. And if you get the paid version ChatGPT, and if you go for the KaliGPT module, you will get a similar interface. Same thing. But the difference is when you search something, for example, in here I'm going to type scan 192.168.8.1 range and serve the active IP in a file up.txt, something like that. So if I enter it in the ChatGPT, the community model, this will give you how to run the command. So you can simply open the terminal and you can just copy paste it. That's it, you want to do it. But the same thing I'm going to paste it here. The difference is in the particular interface itself, you will get a small column where you can directly execute the particular module. For example, here you can see copy code. Otherwise, I can able to execute it. But if you say the output, both are similar output, we are getting it. So I'm click just execution. So now this is running the particular command. In here you can see this is running. So if you want to see the progress, you can able to mention it. So the progress as well. So you can able to see the progress in the terminal while it is running. So now this is done. I'm opening my particular terminal, checking. I have a file running. So again I'm going to mention it. Use up.txt and do the fast watch scan. So this is again will give the command everything, and here the execution, and it's automatically put the output for as well. So when I click it, this is running good. So the file which are serving in a home folder, you can go and type ls. I have a particular option cat ask, so I can see it. So if you fine tune the command, you can able to mention only show the IP address with open ports, something like that. You can able to do it. So most of the command you can you can fine tune the command and you can able to run it. So that's how this tool is work. Simply the execution part is the additional thing compared to the ChatGPT module. Okay, so you want to decide, are you going to pay €80 or €20 or maybe free tier to using this thing. Thank you. See you in another video.